In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Deliveroo bicycle to electric bike. We'll walk through the exact path inside the Deliveroo app to request a switch from a regular bicycle to an electric bike. Using the built-in help tools. Have your rider account details handy so this goes smoothly. Begin by opening the Deliveroo app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the top of the screen and tap your profile. In the profile area, select Become a Rider. This doesn't start a new application, it simply takes you into the rider resources we need for this change. Next, tap the Deliveroo logo at the upper left to reach the main help and support area. At the top, tap the search bar, then type Change Vehicle and press Enter or the search key on your keyboard. This will bring up help results related to updating your vehicle type. From the results, choose the article titled How Can I Change My Vehicle Type? Inside that article, find the link that says clicking here and tap it to open the request form. When you're asked to confirm whether you want to proceed, tap Yes to continue. You'll now see a form to submit your change. Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your Deliveroo rider account. Enter the email address that's linked to your rider profile. Then, add your rider ID. If you're unsure of your rider ID, check your rider app profile. It's usually listed there. Take a moment to double-check spelling and make sure the email and rider ID match your account, because any mismatch can delay your update. After those details are filled in, follow the on-screen steps to finish the request. The app may prompt you to review information, confirm the new vehicle type as electric bike, and then all other steps, bike, and then submit. Continue until you see confirmation in the app that your request has been sent. That's the full process from inside the Deliveroo app. Keep the app open for any follow-up prompts and rely on the in-app guidance if additional verification is requested. As a practical tip, ensure your e-bike meets local regulations for power and speed limits, and keep any documents ready in case the app asks for them during the process. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you can switch your Deliveroo vehicle type from a bicycle to an electric bike quickly and accurately, all within the app's help tools.